Is there a nearby restroom here? Restroom.
Yes, there's a lot.
There's a lot.
In Pinoval Street.
Oh, because I feel not good in my.
Oh, you feel hungry?
Ew.
Ah, you have to.
Yeah. Oh, so sorry.
Oh,
Oh, so sorry.
oh my God.
I'm so. I'm so sorry. Okay. Dito na. Ayan na. Nursing. Ito, nursing na naman tayo, guys. Nakabahan ako ito sa mga nursing na to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 passenger.
Wait lang. Buti yung mga damit nyo. Tumigil kayo.
Uy, ibaba mo muna yan. Magpapasok si ano.
Ibaba mo muna. Uy, ano na?
Papasok
Sadali
si
lang.
Lenin. Tangi, paano ka papasok sa loob?
Ay, wag ba ako sa loob?
Oo, iyuyuko yan. Paano to?
Alam mo, ginaganto lang ko dalawang. Nilagnat ka lang. Ibig sabihin malagnat na kailangan.
Ayan, ayan.
Ow! Aray ko! Wait, parang nabali yung ano ko. Ay,
Salamat na yan.
salamat po.
Thank you po.
Wait lang yung pagpapasalamat natin parang pambababa.
Bakla ka, ibag mo. Ano ka, libag mo?
Lalo pa lalo ka na nakaligpit ako.
Wait lang, ikaw.
每200米别滑。
Kakaldagan na kita ng sama. Kalahi pala ito ni Lenin.
Excuse me.
Yes.
We're going here, right? Here. Here.
Yes, yes.
I'm just follow the ways.
Ah,
Yeah.
go.
Ako.
Yeah, 한국 사람이에요.
Korean? Oh.
반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. You speak Korean?
No,
No?
No, I don't have passport.
Hmm.
Yeah,
No, you watching drama?
not really.
No, no.
Yeah. Do you watch K-drama, guys?
Yeah, do you watch K-drama?
Yes.
No? Yeah. You
Dati
speak.
pa po yan. Yes. Dati pa. Yung mga palabas natin, binabutan niyo. Yung
Yeah, 학생이에요, right?
kanina.
Student.
Yes, student.
Where you studying?
Perpetual.
Perpetual. Oh, perpetual here. Eh,
Dapitan.
Dapita.
Yes.
Sumising ka ba?
And what you study for? What the program?
Nursing.
Nursing.
Yeah.
Hospital, right? Hospital.
Yes.
别滑。
Ano ba yun?
How many years study?
4 years.
4 years study.
Yes.
And you already how many years already?
Third year.
Third year?
Yes.
One more.
One more year.
Yeah, one more year.
Do you know any Tagalog words?
Kunti Tagalog.
Konti lang.
Yeah, Kunti Tagalog. Yeah, can you try to teach me Tagalog? Yeah, you try to teach me Tagalog. Basic Tagalog, basic.
Basic Tagalog.
Yeah.
When you say thank you, you have to say salamat.
Yeah, salamat po. Salamat
Salamat
po. Yeah,
po, yes.
감사합니다. Yeah, 감사합니다.
And then when you want to say have you eaten yet? Kumain ka na ba? Kumain
kumain
ka na
ka na
ba?
ba?
Yes.
kumain ka na ba?
Yes. How long have you been staying here?
2 years here.
2 years?
Yeah.
Are you planning to stay here for good?
I'm planning here to have a business here.
Oh, what
Yeah,
business?
business.
What business?
Food. Korean food.
Korean food. Like cooking noodles like that?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. like a ramyeon,
Yeah,
a
there's
kimchi. Yeah. Have you tried kimchi, right?
not kimchi but ramyun.
Ramyeon. Oh, 맛있어요. Delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
Actually, I'm a half Korean and Thailand.
Oh, sawadika.
Yeah, sawadika. Yeah, sawadika. Sawadika. Yeah, kapunka.
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 Yeah. Which one do you prefer? Thailand or Korea?
Yeah.
Where do you live in Korea?
Before I live in Seoul.
Oh, I've
Seoul.
heard a lot about
You know Seoul?
Yeah, it's very famous.
So Sultan Kudarat. In Mindanao. Yeah, before in Mindanao, I have a friend there.
Oh, you have a friend there.
In Mindanao.
You've been in Mindanao
Yeah,
before?
before.
Ah, okay. You've been in Mindanao.
I have a friend there.
I've never been in Mindanao.
Are you never?
Yeah.
I have a friend there.
Ate ko. Ano ko, te?
You've been there, Sultan
No,
Kudarat?
I've never been in Mindanao. Only in Visayas.
Yeah, 이름 뭐야? What is your name? What is your name?
Teya.
Thea. And how about the other? Yeah, what is your name?
Say real.
Hmm?
Say real.
Cyril,
Jessica.
Jessica,
Angelica.
Angelica, AJ. Yeah. 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, everyone, nice to meet you. Yeah, just call me Mr. Ko.
Mr. Ko.
Yeah, I'm half Thailand and Korean.
Okay.
So my full name is Pao Thai. Yeah, first name Pao Thai and last name is Ko. Oh yeah.
Pao Thai Ko. Oh my God!
Yeah, it's Pao Thai. Yeah, Pao Thai. Yeah, but just for me, Mr. Ko.
Mr. Ko.
We're near. We're near.
We're near.
Is there a nearby restroom here? Restroom.
Yes, there's a lot.
There's a lot.
In Pinoval.
Oh, because I feel not good in my.
Oh, you feel hungry?
Ew.
Ah, you have to.
Yeah. Oh, so sorry.
Oh,
Oh, so sorry.
oh my God.
I'm so. I'm so sorry. Open the window.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Oh, 미안해.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
미안해.
It's okay. In fairness, it don't smell bad.
Yeah, because I opened the window.
Yeah. It's worse in the hospital, so it's okay.
I feel bad in my stomach.
You feel
I ate yesterday, last night. Balo.
balot.
Oh,
Yes.
you balo and alcohol.
Oh.
That's why stomach is not good.
So you have to poop.
Hmm?
You have to poop.
Yeah, I
late.
need to. Yeah.
You can poop in Jollibee.
Here. Yeah, we'll put it.
Or you can go to our school.
In your school there is inside?
Yeah, there's a bidet.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. Oh, wait.
Are you gonna...
Going here? Oh,
No.
wait, I'm sorry again. I'm sorry again.
It's okay.
It's okay. Sorry. Hey, Jollibee, there's inside here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe because it's cold. That's why
Yeah,
you keep
that's why. You're nursing, right?
Yeah.
What is the medicine? I will buy medicine later.
Oh, don't take any medicine.
No.
Unless there's a prescription. You can put like an oil. It's called efficacent oil.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you can buy it.
Yeah,
in
later.
Mercury.
Pagod na sila.
Yeah, to right.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to meet you again.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, what is your name again?
Thea.
Thea. Yeah.
Cyril.
Cyril.
Jessica.
Angelica.
Angelica. Yeah. 반갑습니다. Mr. Ko.
Mr. Ko.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You remember my whole name?
Pao.
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 Thai.
Tai. Ko. Pao.
We're here.
No, forward.
Forward.
Forward. Like there pa.
Oh,
Yeah.
straight. Stomach, very,
Very bad.
yeah, very bad.
Can you like drop
Well,
us
here?
here na? Yeah.
Dito na tayo.
Alam, parang si Kuya sa ano.
Ha?
Parang totoo.
Ano parang
po
totoo?
yung bayad?
Anong parang totoo? Alin?
Kuya, paano ka umutot?
Wait lang. So, kayo ay na-prank. So,
Akala po namin totoo.
akala nyo totoong Korean?
Yeah.
So, just call me Mr. Ko. Bao, Tai,
Ko.
Ko. Oh, ano yung...
Baho tayo.
Yes. So, hindi ako umutot ha. Ito lang yun, oh.
Sabi na nga ako eh.
Ito lang yun. So, it's a prank. Oo, di ba? Pero akala nyo umutot talaga.
Pero wala, sabi mo na namang amoy.
Wala amoy, no?
Medyo natahimik ka kasi.
Oo
Parang
nga.
kami nahiya.
Baliktad kami yung kaya.
Oo, kayo nahiya. So, actually, it's a prank. So, naka-video po tayo. So, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media accounts?
Ano mo sa social media?
Don Bertos TV. Eto, bibigyan ko kayo ng sticker.
Replay.
Isa kayo.
Ayan! Parang kilala ko.
Wala bang replay?
Ha? Walang
Wala ba?
replay.
Tag-isa tayo dyan.
Ulitin natin. Scripted.
Kailangan kuya makinis ako dyan.
Oo, syempre.
Kuya, ang galing niyo po.
Yay, thank you ah.
Oh my God, sigat ako.
So dahil nakakas kayo, it's a free ride.
Thank you, kuya.
You're welcome. Kahit paano makabili man lang kayo ng pang merienda dyan. You're welcome.
Thank you, kuya. Oh my God.
Kasi nagko-content lang talaga ako. Bumabiyahe lang ako for content lang. Yun lang ginagawa ko. Basta panoorin nyo ako sa Facebook, sa YouTube.
Go, kuya.
Share namin niya, kailangan maganda kami.
Well,
Kailan mo i-upload?
Excited!
baka may shout out. Kaya dali.
Shoutout ka tayo.
Hi, hi, mom!
Yan.
Kay mama.
Sabi mo, nag-aaral ako ng mabuti.
Oo, nag-aaral na mabuti, no?
Mag-aaral kami mabuti.
Sana pumasa kami sa med-surg.
Yan. So, ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo, no?
Thank you, kuya.
Mag-aral kayo ng mabuti.
Yes.
Ingat kayo, ha?
Bye-bye po. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alam, sige. Bye!
Ha? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes, at nag-success ang ating prank. At akala ko ay mahuli na naman pero hindi. Grabe, ang galing. Ang galing ng bago nating strategy. Meron tayong gadget. Talala utot talaga eh, pero wala daw amoy. So ayan, it's Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster and the great pretender. I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great pretender. Yeah. Let's go.